Tantalum is a beautiful metal to set diamonds on it. The diamonds that were put in our jewelry is a part of the creation of the world. They took millions of years to be created. Tantalum also is one of the rarest metals that we have in our earth. So you are bringing a bridge from a millennial material, bring them the meaning through our experience, through our work. One of the important things with the diamonds is that they're all certified. We work with the company Group, is the biggest company for certified diamond in Europe. His diamonds are perfect. They look in tantalum incredibly good. We gain a lot of reflection and size setting in tantalum. Through these are the diamonds even more shinier and had a lot of more power and fire. We are really, really good at making difficult things. This is like our theme. Easy is for everyone. We make that what nobody actually can do.